Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the Ethereum chart, we are climbing a little higher today, but price-wise, we haven't really reached a new peak or anything today. So pretty much the analysis from the previous update is still correct and unfolding as planned. Nevertheless, I want to give you a quick middle of the day update, but it will not be a long one, just to confirm really what we talked about before and what the price levels to the upside are. Bitcoin is, as we speak, going a little higher. That could help Ethereum as well, but Bitcoin has not, as I make this video, as I record it, broken above the resistance here. There is structural resistance, and the real breakout will only occur above this swing high at around about 31,430 plus minus. It's a bit of a range if I zoom out a little bit. So you can see that here we have a really important resistance level. Now, I'm not sure if Bitcoin is going to take that out in this wave one. I think we need first the wave two pullback before we really break out. But in the short term, the Bitcoin chart target-wise 31.8 to 32K. And on the Ethereum chart, we're looking here for something around $2,000 to $2,020. I highlighted 1960 to 1980. With the latest change in structure, with this three-wave move to the upside in an A wave, the move down in a B wave, and the move up in a C wave here, it extended a little higher. But if it goes above 2020, which is this spike here, and then we also go above the Fibonacci extensions, which are really relevant for this C wave of wave one, well, C wave of wave 5 of wave 1, then I would have to consider, and that's a bit of a crazy idea, but we talked about it, it's possible. We have to talk about, okay, do we need to make a small change to the wave count? Do we go to the alternative bullish escalation chart, where the wave 4 finished here last week? A couple of weeks ago. The wave 5 here, that was on the Friday the 23rd. The wave 1 was already in. This lengthy correction was actually not a wave 4, but a wave 2. And we're already rallying in a third wave. But I have to tell you, I don't really see any strong indication for that yet, because the move up looks very choppy. However, it would, if this is the case and we go up in a third wave, then this would be absolute escalation. Because if I had to count it like that, then I would say, okay, we would have here a 1-2 setup of wave 3. This here is another 1-2 setup of wave 3. And yeah, we would have 2-1-2 setups. So it could, and the size is significant. So it could really escalate completely. And let's talk about what would be, just hypothetical, okay, target-wise. And what do we talk about for the third wave then? If really a wave 1 completed on the 23rd of June, then the wave 2 would have ended on Wednesday the 28th of June, and the third wave would then have to reach at least $2,310. Then we would get a wave 4, then we would get a 5. However, if we have a 1-2-1-2 setup, it is likely that this third wave is going to extend a little higher than the $2,310 level. So we might look at some wild extensions around 2,400, 2,500, then a wave 4 and a wave 5. And, this could then take us to maybe $3,000. So it will escalate higher like that. Just be aware of that. It's a bit of a crazy idea, but I have seen stuff like that before in a third wave. And bear in mind that these charts always take off with as little people as possible on board, so that they have to chase. Yeah, but this is not something I primarily am looking for, but obviously as the primary expectation is currently working out, and this is the primary expectation, what is the alternative? And that would be our alternative, so that there must be an alternative. Okay, so I just correct the chart or change the chart back to where it was. Yeah. So, but this is sort of what I'm looking for. And I'm looking for, if you're wondering why is it an ABC structure in wave C, just because I'm looking at all of this as a diagonal structure. So we are dealing with the corrective structures within the sub waves. Yeah, but there is not much more to add at the moment. When do I think that we are already in wave 2. Yeah, so let's assume the primary scenario works out. Somewhere in this region between now and 2020, we should see a rejection and come down in wave 2 if I've nailed the wave count. Then we should move down in a 3-wave structure, ABC. Support should be between 1700 and 1800 roughly. And my assumption will be if we break below this B wave low here of the 2nd of July at 1895, then I assume that we are in the wave 2. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.